All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using it, credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, Drip Network, Splashsive. Splashsive, get 2% a day every day on your initial investment, 360%. Drip, 365, 1% a day. All right, all kinds of good stuff. Today we're talking about Tectonic. What's going on with this? It's down slightly right this second. Go into their website, go into their Twitter, do a little price prediction when we're done. Also, we're going to talk about the top 3 cryptocurrencies that you can day trade. People are trying to figure out ways to make money with crypto, and it's down a lot of times. So a lot of folks are starting to do day trading. There's 3 cryptocurrencies that are pretty popular to day trade. And then what about those gas prices in the U.S.? Is there anything, are they going down? Are you doing a little strategy to try to combat the gas prices? All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Or go on the channels, help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day even own some cryptocurrency. All right, let's head over to Tectonic. All right, Tectonic over here on CoinMarketCap is ranked 3120. It's down 2% right this second. Not that bad. 1% for the last 24 hours. Go ahead and click in it. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and a 1038. We'll do a price prediction when we're done. It's down about 1% for the day, about 2% for the week. So we got about the same 1 week and the same 24 hours. So Tectonic is down slightly, only 1 and 2%. Not too bad right this second. Over at their Twitter account, Tectonic, a cross-chain money market on Cronus Chain. Yep. They have exceeded 1 billion in total supplies. Thank you all Tectonians for the big milestone. We're heading over to head over to the Tectonia Finance and borrow assets and unlock liquidity. So they got $1 billion in total supply. Got $1 billion in total supply. And the borrowed amount is half of it. We have just launched our TSUD market today. Double-digit yields right now. Probably nothing. A little sarcasm. You can get double-digit yield on the TSUD market today. You go ahead and you click right here. It takes you right here. You're going to get your double-digit yield. Connect your wallet and start borrowing today. All right. You can find out more about Tonic staking in our previous post here. Good morning, Tectonians. We are at the final stage of our model launch. We can't wait to ship the features to you. This is about a week or so ago. They're celebrating by giving an airdrop for the Tectonians, which is fantastic. One of my favorite ones from about a month ago, dual rewards, VVS Finance and Tonic farms on VVS Finance incoming. Stake your VVS and your Tonic LP tokens to earn both VVS and Tonic at the same time. What's better than getting rewarded with 1 token on Crystal Farms? Yeah, that's right, everybody. How about 2? Multiple rewards farms are here, VVS and Tonic. All right, over here at the website, Tonic Shift in Lending and Borrowing. Says right here, Tectonic is a cross-chain money market for earning passive yields and access instant back loans. All right, powered by Cronus, everybody. There's their $1 billion right here. Take the total supply. They got $1 billion. Generate passive yields on your assets. So take a look at this. Crypto assets deposited in the Tectonic earn attractive APYs based on the dynamic rate of according to the market demands. Earning and available immediately with no lockups. So you can start earning today. Instant liquidity at your fingertips. Get an instant loan. Unlock liquidity from idle crypto assets into Tectonic. That's important. Idle crypto. I don't know, you have $2,000 or $1,000 in Dogecoin or sitting there in Shiba Inu or something like that, and it's just idle. You're just, you're watching it to go to the moon, and it just keeps going down, down, down. You can use that idle crypto and get your loan today, unlock it, and start making money with your idle crypto. Keep your funds safe is our top priority. They're audited smart contracts. Our smart contracts have been audited by lending blockchain security auditors, Slowmiss. They got insurance funds that are coming soon, and the open source. And open source are among the founding principles of DeFi, which Tectonic is proudly committed to. All right, Tectonic, down only a 1 or 2%. You got dual farming that you can get dual rewards. Come on, everybody. What's better than getting a 1 reward? That's right, getting 2. So a lot of good stuff going on with Tonic, so definitely check it out. I know about a week ago I've heard about a billion of the Tonic is about $700 to $750. So if you need a billion of anything, you can go get a billion of Tonics for about $7 to $750. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos, or go on this channel to help everybody learn about that cryptocurrency. We're going to talk about the top 3 cryptocurrencies that you can use for day trading. A lot of people are trying nodes, trying drip, trying projects, trying different things, and they're looking for still a way to kind of make some money and day trading cryptocurrency. But cryptocurrency, you can buy at midnight, you can buy at 3 in the morning, you can buy at 5 in the morning. So it doesn't have to necessarily be day trading. It could be 3 in the morning trading. It could be 12 o'clock to 5 a.m. Trading. Well, let's head over and find out these 3 special coins. All right, the top 3 cryptos that are best for day trading. What do you think they are? Top 3 cryptos for day trading. It says the crypto market is witnessing a spike today after dipping and trading slowly for a month. The majority of the top cryptos are down by 50% from their all-time high, and making profits seem to be a thing of the past. Is that not so true, or what? Everything is down and making profits seem to be a thing of the past. However, day trading could be seen as the only opportunity to make a quick money ride past the crypto dips. There are several best cryptos to consider for the day trading, as they provide big swings in a 24-hour trade. Now remember, you don't have to do this in the daytime. You can do this at midnight or 2 in the morning. All right, here are the top 3 cryptos that could deliver profits while day trading. Number 1, ETH, Ethereum. All right, Ethereum's number 1. And Ethereum has been a key player in the crypto sphere, delivering profits for both long-term and short-term holders. ETH has a good volatility between a one-day highs and lows, and investors get an ample time to decide when to pull out their holdings. The average movement between the days and highs and lows is approximately $50 to $100 on any given day. For example, today's low, this is a few days ago. The Ethereum was $29.37 and the high was $3,070. The difference was $133 for the day. Buying and selling anywhere between the daily lows and highs would lead to profit. The price movement gives investors a good opportunity to make profit in a short time. So again, if you would have bought at $29.37 and then that day it goes up to $3,070, you would go ahead and sell your stuff. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for educational purposes. We're just all friends here. All right, but Ethereum is their number 1 pick. Binance Coin is their number 2. Take a look at Binance. Binance Coin is yet another gem when it comes to delivering handsome returns during a day trading. Similar to Ethereum, BNB swings dramatically towards both sides on any given day. If it's timed right, you can make a decent profit by day trading and seek the rewards it has to offer. BNB saw a low of $385 and a high of $412 the other day, which was a difference of $27 for each coin purchase. Binance is also capable of swinging more and is among the best choice to indulge in day trading. So they like the BNB as the number 2. Now number 3 is Polkadot. Got the Polkadot at number 3. Now your number 3 could be Doge on Mars. Your number 3 could be AMP token. Now you could watch AMP go from 2.9 to 2.7 to 2.9 to 2.7 to 2.9 to 2.7. Say that 5 times fast. But let's see what they say about Polkadot. Polkadot is among the top cryptos in the market and can deliver results for both long-term and short-term investors. Similar to Ethereum and Binance, Polkadot also displays a volatility in the day's movements, giving ample room for investors to decide when to sell. Polkadot rarely moves on a razor-thin margin and is among a go-to crypto for day trading. So right there we got Polkadot at number 3, we got BNB at number 2, and we got Ethereum at number 1. So those are your top 3 day trading cryptocurrencies, but I will point out, remember, you can buy crypto at 10 o'clock at night, you can buy crypto at 5 in the morning. The crypto market never sleeps. So day trading is kind of a limited thing. You have to do it while the stock market is open. Crypto day and night trading is a 24/7 thing. You don't have to do it you can do it anytime you want. All right, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our Splassive has been doing great. It's at like 48 to 45 bucks. When I bought in the Splassive in the pre-sale when it first launched, I got it for $6, and it's at 46 bucks. So it's doing pretty well. Everything pays out 2% a day. I'll leave the link in the bottom if you're thinking about splashing. All right, gas prices are at an all-time high. Very tough for the economy. People are having a hard time with it. What are we going to do? Let's head over to the gas prices. All right, here's the map of AAA gas prices. The average across the country is $4.24. Texas is $3.87. North Dakota is $3.91. Maine is $4.12. California is the top one at $5.91. All right, the current average a year ago was $2.86. Right now it's at $4.24. Kind of getting hard. Diesel a year ago was $3.10. Diesel today is $5.10. Huge jump, everybody. Diesel again over $5. Over here you can pick any kind of state you want. So let's say you wanted to pick California. Throw in California right here. You'd view it. They pull up the whole state of California, and you can actually hover over the counties to kind of see. But as you can see, California is $5.90. So a lot of crazy stuff going on with gas prices. How do we combat it? Well, first thing is for people that have jobs and stuff, you need to carpool. You need to find two strategies. One, find one friend and carpool with that friend. You drive 1 week, the friend drives another week. Out of 4 weeks, you would only drive 2 weeks. Out of 4, you would save 50% of your gas prices, gas money. It's a good concept. The best strategy is find 3 friends, have 4 people in the car. Each one of you, Bob, Sally, Sue, and Henry, you all drive 1 time a week, a month. You're only driving 25% of the actual month. I know you're picking up your friends, but that's nothing compared to driving every single day, burning this gas. It's so expensive, $5 in some places, $4.80 in some places. If you have 4 people in the car, you're driving 25% of the time, you're saving 75% of your gas. Good job, everybody. For groceries, you may need to start doing the Walmarts or the different grocery stores where you can order online and they deliver it to you. Even if they tack on a $5 or $10 service fee, it's going to be cheaper than your gas. When you go to the grocery store, I know some people shop once or twice a week. You may have to shop once every 10 days, once every 14 days. You may need to go there and buy 2 weeks of groceries. You know, buy the things like the cereals and the things that can last longer. And you have to basically make it a 10-day trip and stuff. So you got to figure out ways to combat the gas prices. I think on cryptocurrency projects, the drip networks, the splashivs, buying a node, buying a couple nodes. You know, people like to buying the coin and hoping it shoots to the moon. The problem with that is there's 6,000 or 7,000 coins. It's like a lottery ticket. So you do want to find that. Using the driving with a friend to work, I mean, that's a pretty easy thing. There's no buying crypto, there's no watching your computer, there's no, TaskRabbit is doing tasks and everything. This is just driving to work with a friend and saving money. All right, everybody, let's head over to Tectonic to hear about that price prediction. All right, over here, Tectonic, frequently asked questions. What is Tectonic? Tectonic is a decentralized, non-custodial algorithmic money market protocol. Users can deposit assets to earn passive income and borrow funds to unlock liquidity in their assets. How does Tonic work? Funds deposited by users are provided as liquidity to the borrower, who may borrow at a variable interest rate. Tectonic smart contracts adjust these rates based on each market utilization rates. So some people are borrowing the money, some people are lending the money. The people that are lending it are getting money on their money. The people are borrowing are paying money on the money they're borrowing, but they can use it for different projects. Tectonic is a protocol token with 2 key uses: case governance and staking into the community insurance pool to ensure the protocol earns more rewards. All right, join the community today. Tectonic, let's get these dual rewards in Crystal Farms. What's our price prediction? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. 1037. I'm going to predict 5 zeros and a 1087. Again, all our information is for educational purposes only. Do your own homework. We're all just friends here. You definitely want to make sure you do your own homework when you research everything. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Tectonic, one of my favorite cryptocurrencies. You can actually make dual rewards with this, with Tonic and VVS on their farm. Make sure you do that. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click over here to learn about Splassive. Get 2% a day for 180 days. Thanks for tuning in. All our information is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial planner. We're all just friends here. All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.